was doing all this stuff around the house and I thought, oh my God, I really need to like share with you because it's been a while since I've done a home update. But we went to, you know what? Let me grab the tripod. I'm just gonna sit down. I think, fine. So, let me take off my shoes. I'm on the couch. So we have a couple new things on the couch since I did I think it was the DIY kind of home tour, but we got new pillows. So we got these, which I like. And these came from West Elm, and it's like their new collection. These are really pretty. They're kind of like, you can see a little bit of like a sheen to them, which is nice because we have a lot of linen here. So I think this kind of, it goes with the linen that we have. These are from Zara Home. We've had these, but it goes with the linen and the linen of the sofa, but it's also just kind of adds a little more texture, a little more depth. I think it like elevates it a little bit. You know, I love linen, but it can also look a little too rustic. And I feel like in our house, I hope this light is okay. Let me take those glasses off. Too much glare. Ow, I have a hangnail and I just hit it. I don't like when that happens. It hurts and it's bleeding. Okay, now I have to keep my finger on it. Jerry doesn't love this, but I do. Look at this cute baby. I love this. It's so like kind of 70s. This reminds me of a pillow I had years and years ago when I was in college, and it was this avocado green, but this is like a mustard. It's a very muted mustard yellow. I think it's kind of almost like a gold, but it's softer. Yeah. So isn't it cute? I love it. I love you, pillow. Okay, anyway, that's weird. You know, I love this pillow. So we've got those. And then from Pottery Barn, I got this little thing that I'm sitting on. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? It is, I just want to like see it. This is so soft and it's really, really long. So it's like the length of our sofa, which is 96 inches. So it's like the length of our sofa. And it's so lush and so beautiful. And it makes, that is Jerry coming in from the garage. I cannot stand that buzzer, but it happens. That little dun, 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 whatever. Anyway, you know what the best part of this is? Besides the fact that it's very cozy and it gives another texture to this room and then just, it feels incredible. It is fake. It's faux fur. So that makes me happy. Even though I wear leather, I can't do fur. So I'm really happy about this piece. And no animals were harmed in the process. Those are new pieces. Turn this around. Whoa! Oh my gosh. This tripod has a mind of its own. So let me get on this table. Okay, can you see me? Yes. So right now this is kind of on a book. It needs, like if I were to just put these pieces right here, it needs something. Do you see what I mean? To pull it together. And I don't have anything big enough. Actually, I do have a brass tray. I wonder how that would look. But maybe that would be better than this book. Let's try it. I'm not really like this color brass kind of person. I'm really more of like a patinaed brass, not so shiny, but maybe this will be good for now. Maybe, let's see. This plant looks like my hair in the summertime. It's a challenge. I mean, I'm still like, this table is so awesome. It's like, I don't want to put anything on it really. So I think that works for now. finally got a parking space. I like the little deer. So we finally are here. This place has so much stuff that I don't even know how we're gonna get through. This is the kind of place you want to go if you need something right now. It's definitely not a bargain place. We loved all of the doors and the shutters. They were very expensive. Very cool, but also, you know, you're not getting a deal here. We really liked looking around and just kind of getting ideas of like what stood out to us, what would we like to incorporate into our home. There's Jerry. But all in all, I think it was just like a really cool experience. I loved these lions so much. They were very, very cool. I'd love to get them for our house. I also really liked this framed letter and just the look of, you know, just like a typewriter typing out. It was just like the typography is really beautiful. I don't know what the letter said. I didn't have time to read it, but Jerry loved these. I think they must be like mantles or they're from window panes. But we thought those could be really cool art shelves. I fell in love with these columns, although they were really tall. I'm not sure where we put them. I thought these metal boxes were very cool. There were a lot of trunks, and you had an abundant amount to choose from. It was like if you saw all the doors and like, look, now you can see like all of these metal containers and everything. There's Jerry again. It's really the kind of place you want to come, you want to check it out and see what hits you, like what inspires you from it. I found a really beautiful print by Andrew Wyeth, and Jerry said he actually had this one like years ago when he was probably in his 20s. But what I loved about it was this dog. Look how, this is the feeling. This is the feeling when you're in your room. I love it. I also found this Big Ben wind-up clock. I just hope that I remember to wind it up. We're only here on the weekends, so that could probably be a problem, but I don't care. I love it anyway, and at some point we will be here all the time, so it will always be wound up. And look at this lamp. This was like a good deal. I got this for like $28, which was probably the least expensive, one of the least expensive things at this place. And we put it up on our dish shelf, which I love. You're just gonna say cheers. Okay.
Salute.
Okay, salute. You could do that if you want. Do whatever you want. Just do like a cheers or salute, whatever. Okay? We're just practicing. So don't be so down in the dumps about it. Okay? Sending you so much love from New York. Mwah!
Salute. Well, that's weird. I don't want to be too Italian.
Yeah.
Just cheers. Go one time.
We'll toast each other. Or you want to toast them? Salute. Cheers. We'll do cheers because we don't want to be too Italian. Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Sending you so much love from New York. Mwah!
Cheers.
Cheers. End.